students, I'm welcoming you to session 53 of Accounting 1. In this session, we are going to solve problem on bills of exchange. Particularly, we are passing journal entries in the parties concerned. We know that in last session, we discussed in detail how to pass entries in the books of drawer and drawing, particularly when bill will be with the drawer till the due date and get it honored. When the drawer will get it discounted and on due date it get honored. When drawer endorses that bill and when drawer send that bill particularly for collection to bank. So these are the circumstances in which we discussed how to pass journal entries particularly in the parties concerned. So in this session we are solving certain important simple problems to understand the basic aspects. So let me see problem number 1. Pass journal entries in books of parties involved from the following information. On 1/3/2018, R drew a 3 months bill to H for ₹5,000 which was duly accepted. R discounted the bill with banker at 8% per annum. The bill was duly honored on due date. Who are parties here? R is the one who draws the bill. Try to understand. H is the one who accepts the bill. So R is a drawer, H is drawee. Then R will get it discounted with the banker. So one more person is banker. So these are the three parties. So we have to pass entries in all these three parties. So now see how to pass entries in the books of drawer. See, on 1/3/2018, R drew a 3 months bill to H for ₹5,000 which was duly accepted. Means on first itself he drawn the bill, he get it accepted from drawee. So he receives the bill. One who draws the bill will receive the bill after getting acceptance from drawee. What's the journal entry? Bills receivable account debtor to drawee's account. Who is drawee? H's account. Narration being bills received after acceptance is recorded. ₹5,000. On 1/3/2018, on the same day, because date is not given when R will get this bill discounted. So we are assuming on the same day. So he will send this to bank for discounting. So he will get the cash. Journal entry is cash account data, discount account data to bills receivable account. Bill goes to banker now. He will receive the cash because he don't want to wait till the maturity date. That's why he is getting it discounted and getting the cash. But he is sacrificing ₹100 as discount charges. So cash account 4,900, discount 5,000 rupees, the amount of bill into 8 divided by 100, 8% is discount charges. It is bill of 3 months. For 3 months it will be ₹100. So being discounting of bill with bank and incurring bank charges or incurring discount charges are recorded. So these are the two entries comes in the books of drawer. In the books of banker, he will discount the bill on the date of discounting. What's the journal entry? Bill discounted account data. He will credit cash to his current account, to R's current account. Banker will get an income known as discount to discount account. So what's the journal entry? Bill discounted account data to drawer's current account to discount account. So being payment of cash for discounted bill and receiving discount charges are recorded. On the due date, bill will be sent by banker to drawee and drawee will honor the bill. It is there in the problem. The bill was duly honored on due date. On due date, bill is not with the drawer. It is with banker. So on 4/6/2018, it's 3 months bill. So 3 months to be added to March plus 3 days will become 4/6/2018. So cash account data to bill discounted account being cash received on due date from drawee is recorded. How to record in the books of drawee? So simple. On acceptance of bill, he will sign the bill and he will send that bill to drawer. Journal entry is drawer's account data, R's account data to bills payable account. On due date, he will give the cash by getting the bill. Journal entry is bill payable account data to cash account. So this is how we are passing entries in the book in the parties concerned. Here bill was drawn by drawer. It's a 3 months bill and he will get it discounted before the due date. And on due date banker will send that bill to drawee. Drawee will honor the bill. This is what the situation. Let's look at this next one. Mr. B sells goods worth rupees 2000 to H on 1st October 2019 and draws a bill on him for the amount for 2 months. On the same day, bill was endorsed his creditor O. The bill was duly honored on due date. Pass entries in all the parties. See, B sells the goods to H. B draws the bills to H. B is drawer, H is drawee. On the same day, B endorses this bill to his creditor O. So endorsee is O. So there are 3 parties here. Drawer B, he is a drawer and endorser. Drawee H, O creditor of drawer who is endorsee. On the due date of the bill, and drawee honors the bill. Here endorsement and getting it honored on due date. So such situation. In the books of drawer, journal entry is heads account debtor to sales account for sales made. Try to understand. In first problem, sales was not there. Your sale is there. You have to record. As and when there is credit sale, journal entry is debtor account debtor to sales account. Debtor is drawee, heads account debtor to sales account. He draws the bill for credit sale and get it accepted from drawee. Journal entry is bills receivable account debtor to heads account. On the same day, B will endorse this bill to O. So that he will not keep this bill with him. He will endorse it to his creditor. Journal entry is endorsee, O's account debtor to bills receivable account. So in the books of drawee, so journal entry purchases account debtor to R's account, being purchase of goods on credit basis from R is recorded. On 110, R's account debtor to bills payable account, being acceptance of bill drawn by R is recorded. On maturity date, journal entry bills payable account debtor to cash account. Try to understand. So this is how we are passing entries in the books of drawer and drawee. In case if they ask you to pass book entries in the books of O also, see in the books of O, he will get the bill on 1/10/2019. Journal entry in his book is bills receivable account debtor to heads account for getting the bill endorsed by whom? Endorsed by B. What's the journal entry? Bills receivable account debtor to, not B. Bills receivable account debtor to, yes, bills receivable account debtor to B's account. Then on the due date, he will send this bill to H. H will honors the bill. The journal entry is cash account debtor to bills receivable account. So try to understand. In case if you want to pass entries in the books of O, on 1/10/2019, journal entry is bills receivable account debtor to B's account. He will get the bill from B as endorsement, as try to understand. Then on due date means on 4/12/2019 in the books of O, he will get the cash because drawee will honors the bill. What's the journal entry? Cash account debtor to bills receivable account. These 2 journal entry you are supposed to pass in the books of O. That's all. We will see some other problems, particularly next session. Till that, take care of your health. Thank you.